this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have another pack in front of you guys with few products that I have bought in AliExpress. So without any further ado, let me unpack this pack. Okay, first thing I have here, a beautiful pack for you guys, a beautiful bag. Let's see this one. According to here, right then I paid €7 for this one. So let me take this off. A wallet for men. Lovely. Wow, very high quality. I feel already my hands. No branding is written. I saw some branding, but no branding. You see how it is. So it looks as a leather. Open this one. Let's see how inside. Wow. You can see you can put many cards here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cards you can put here. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 12 card you can put. You have a handle is small if you want to. Look at the quality, guys. Stainless steel. This is as a pure leather if I'm not wrong. And you have a chain here if you want to put your phone. In this case, for example, iPhone 12 here. You can put inside, not going exactly, but I can leave here and can close as well. So iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 15. The Pro version, small version, base version can go inside. If you have a big phone, X Galaxy S23, 24 Ultra, may go inside as well. So it's a price, and you can close as well. So lovely. Phone goes inside. Wow. Take this off. Lovely quality. You can put SIM here, memory card, SD card. So SIM card. Here you have another pack. One more. This side no. And the zip you have here. Lovely. And these should be here if I'm not wrong. Quite handy. Lovely bag for men. In this case, women can use unisex, it could be. So this is an unboxing of leather purse for man. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.